but not all that we will see tomorrow when we lock the door on all our disabilities.